Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to set up related posts in Elementor Pro. So as you can see here on my demo site, we have two main categories, one for pets and one for travel. Each one has a couple of subcategories. So I'm going to click here on the dogs subcategory, and here we have 3 posts. I'm going to click on the first one. Now as you can see, I have this right-hand column right here showing recent posts. And this is actually showing a list of all the posts that I have on this entire website. But what if you just want to see other posts that are in the same category as the current post? So in other words, we want to see all of our dog posts right here. That's what I'm going to show you how to set up. First thing we need to do is go to the WordPress dashboard, go to Elementor, and then go to Theme Builder. And then click on Single Post, and then we're going to edit the single post template. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just get rid of everything that we have here in this right-hand column, and we'll just recreate it from scratch. So first thing we need to do is drag a heading widget into the right container. And you can call this whatever you want. You can say related posts, or you might also like, whatever you want to call it. And then we'll go back up here to the plus sign, and we're going to search for the posts widget, and it's going to be this one right here. We'll drag that below our heading. And then right here for columns, you can adjust this to however you like. I'm going to put 1 column, and then we'll just turn down the image width a little bit, make it a little smaller. And then image position, we'll say to the left. I'll turn off the description, and we'll disable the read more link. Okay, next thing we need to do is adjust the query here. So in other words, we need to set this up to show us all of our related posts. So we come down here to query, we change the source from posts to related. And where it says include by, we're going to put term. And then for term, we're going to pick categories. And then optionally, you can come down here where it says pagination, and we can change this to load on click. And what that will do is place a little button down here to load more posts if there are more posts that need to be loaded. Right now we don't see it because this preview is only showing us 6 posts. But if I come up to layout and I change it to 3 posts, now you can see that button right here. But I'll go ahead and put it back to 6. And then we'll go over here and publish. Now if we go back to our site, and we click on the dogs subcategory and go to one of our posts, now you can see it's just showing us the posts related to dogs. Since there are 3 dog posts, we're seeing the other 2 right here. If I go back to our homepage and I click on cats, for example, and click on one of our cat posts, you can see all of our cat posts are showing right here, and we can click load more to load any additional cat posts. Now let's say you want this to show both cats and dogs. So I'm going to show you how to set that up next. We need to go back to the WordPress dashboard, go to posts and all posts. Okay, now what we need to do first is we come up here where it says all categories. We want to click on cats and then click filter. So now we can see all of our cat posts. What we need to do is put all of our cat posts into the pets category. So we're going to come up here, click this top checkbox. It's going to highlight all of our posts. We'll go to bulk actions, we'll go to edit and then apply, and then we're just going to check off this box for pets and click update. And then we're going to do the same thing for dogs. We're going to choose dogs, click filter, and then check this box here to highlight all of our posts, bulk actions, edit, apply, and then we're going to check off the pets category and click update. All right, now if we go back to our site and we click on dogs, and this time I'll just click on this German Shepherd post right here. You can see now we're also seeing not just our dog posts, but we also see our cat posts as well. And if I go back and click on cats and click on any other cat post, same thing, we see all of our cat posts. If I click load more, we see our dog posts. So I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like it and subscribe for more videos like this.